All right, guys, we're here at Camp Margaritaville RV
Resort and Lodge.
Resort and Lodge. That is a mouthful. Yeah. We are here in our beautiful room.
Yeah, we just got in. The room looks awesome. Hotel looks super clean. Cool artwork on the wall right behind us.
Yep.
We have a similar suite to the one we had over at the island, Margaritaville. That one did have like a living room and an extra bathroom. It's a little bit different, but this does have 2 rooms in it. So we're going to check out the double bedroom and the king room area and show you all this hotel has to offer. Looks like a pretty awesome hotel so far. Yep. So we're going to film all that, show you the room and everything else.
And we'll let you know when we check out what we thought.
Yeah, if you haven't hit subscribe yet, hit that subscribe button. It means the world to us. And let's check this hotel out.
Let's do it.
The lobby area down. This is where you check in at. Some cool artwork on the wall there. They have a nice big chandelier there and fireplace and some really nice sitting areas out here as well. They also have this really cool compass on the floor here. Camp Margaritaville, Pigeon Forge. And they have these really cool chairs over here as well. Alrighty, we're heading to the room now. I just want to show you we're at room 314, but this is the hallway here. I just want to show you this hallway real quick because this room, 312 and 314 are both pretty private back here. So you gotta come off the main hallway. There's 312, and here's our room 314, kind of in this dead end little spot right here. So there's the main hallway you come from, and then back here is 314. So it's very quiet back here, and you probably won't hear much noise at all. So this is a great room. 314, little parrot right there. And let's head inside now. And, hey, Stephanie. Alrighty, right as you come in. So here's a look when you first come in. See a mirror there, a little kitchen area. And then this cool little feature off to our right is the beds here. The 2 twin beds. Yeah. So it has this little thing here, so that's going to show you. It's a little hard to get. So you pull this up right there. Okay. Yep. So you and then, yeah, so I can cover it. It's kind of like a camp, they called it, like a camp kids room. It's kind of like a little tent, kind of like that. And then that closes up. And then inside here, thank you, Steph, you got cool light here, license to chill, 2 nice sized beds in here for the kids, lamp, and huge TV in here. And this is similar to one of the suites we stayed at over at the Island Margaritaville Hotel. So I'll put that video down below. It had a room similar to this. Ignore our luggage on the floor there. And, hey Steph again. And so we'll put that down below. It had the beds like that. It was pretty cool. So a little kitchen area right here. So you get the 2 free bottles of water. You have your ice bucket, some glasses, microwave, Keurig. And you have some storage and a little drawer here. And this is pretty cool right here. So this is a retro fridge. License to chill. And it's painted up kind of that green color like the rest of the room. That's pretty neat. Turning around, before you go in the bedroom area, you got a full-size mirror right here. Very nice. And then right here to the right is your closet. Inside the closet is just your standard coat hangers, laundry bag, ironing board. One thing we did notice was no luggage rack in here. So that was a little different not to have that. But there's a safe here. And then come around, you got your bathroom and your king bedroom over here. So I'll show you the bathroom real quick. Nice size here, plenty of room. And you got a nice lighted mirror, towels, hair dryer. Have all your amenities in here. Lotion, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, soap, everything. Nice sink there. Hello everybody. And it's a nice little area there, very clean. Right over here, you have your standard toilet down there. And you have a nice size shower here. I really like this green color a lot. It looks really nice. And you have your shampoo and conditioner in there. And a pretty good size shower. And then turning around this way, you have like a little desk to work at right here. It's pretty cool. This lamp looks pretty neat too, kind of like a lodge, camping type feel. It's pretty neat. It's a little work area right there. Thermostat on the wall. You have your TV there, plenty of storage below. And then on this side here is the king bed. The bed looks pretty low, so just a heads up on that. It's a lower bed, but we definitely don't mind that. But lower bed there, nice size king bed. Some cool pillows there. This does have the parrot. It's a little hard to see, but there is the parrot inside or on there. And living for the weekend. That's pretty cool. So you get your lamp and phone there. Some storage on the right. On the left, Steph's book. She loves to read. The lamp, some more storage. This clock is pretty cool too. So the clock on all sides has like, so you can just kind of turn around. So it's kind of a cool clock there. Then you have a couch bed over here. So it's a couch and a pull-out bed on it. So you can really sleep probably 2 people in that bed, 2 people in the king bed. And then you could probably sleep 2 more people in the twin beds down there at the end. And then we love the artwork on the walls in here. So this is the camping right here. Camping is for nature lovers. Really cool. And then turning around, a little hard to see, it's nighttime now. But there's the view outside. That's kind of the parking area right there. And then to the right is where they have like the cornhole and the lights and the table set up outside. And then over here, it's my favorite picture. I love this thing. I love to buy a copy of this if I can find it. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And we'll go through all these.
There's a bunch of them.
Yeah,
the National Park, Smoky Mountains Big Creek Midnight Hole. They have Cleveland's Dome down here. This is the Ramsey Cascades. Chimney Tops Picnic Area. Cataloochee.
Yeah, this is just really neat.
Yeah,
really neat picture. Cool. And then right below that, you have your table with 2 chairs. So it's a very nice room. It does have kind of a more like, I guess, cabiny or kind of camping lodgy feel. I don't know how to exactly describe it. Yeah, it's really cool if they did like this. Yeah, it's definitely said the best. They hit the mark with it. It's really cool. I was walking back to the front to show you this room one more time. I just love this little thing they did for the kids here. It's like a little tent. So you can just go in there and camp. Pretty darn cool. All right, here we are at the pool now. So this is living for the weekend, jumping off the deep end. They got like a little kiddie pool over there with a palm tree, with water flowing kind of over it. Nice size pool, hot tub right in front of us. And this pool goes all the way over here to this nice looking water slide too. It's a really good area here. And the thing we're noticing the most, it looks the most amazing, is look at the steam. So we know like you see hot tubs all the time, you know, with steam coming out. It's probably about 50 degrees outside right now. I've never seen a pool with steam like this. Look at that. This pool is super heated. And the water slide's even steaming. That's amazing. And on this side here, they have like a 0 entry as well. So a really nice pool area out here. And super heated. That's pretty cool. And let's look at the hotel as well. Really nice property here. All right, everybody. We just got done with our stay here at the Camp Margaritaville Lodge, RV, and Resort Park. It's a lot to say. Just start off with
Did you get it all? Yeah, you did.
Just a very clean hotel, very friendly staff, easy check-in process, just great hotel all around. Yeah. Beds a little more firm than we like, but still very comfortable, great shower. We did do the breakfast here. It was $10 for adults. There was a lot of kids and packed, so we didn't want to film all that with the kids in there especially. Yeah. But it was kind of like a Hampton Inn type breakfast, but maybe a little bit better. Good coffee. The shop down there too, it's closed. It was closed last night. We got in, closed this morning. They do have breakfast sandwiches in the shop. Those are really good from the last hotel we stayed at the island of Margaritaville. But yeah, just great hotel. There's a little card here they give you. There's the QR code for it somewhere. If you scan that, it gives information about the hotel. It's a pet-friendly hotel, so there's information about how much the cost is for that. The check-in, check-out times are on there. Just all kinds of good information that you scan. It pulls up on the website. So scan that, check out the information about the hotel. We didn't go swimming this time, but the pool looked amazing and hot. What do you think, Steph?
It was great.
Yeah, I would say definitely check this place out. Right now, the prices are really good here, especially for Margaritaville resorts, which are a little more expensive. Definitely worth the money, though. So check out the hotel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Bye.